Dance of the Cubs. Once upon a time, a tigress had 3 little cubs who were cute and naughty, as they were always trying to go into the jungle like their father. The tigress had a difficult time in looking after them. One evening, the tigress fed her 3 little cubs and prepared their tiny beds for them to sleep. Then she called them affectionately, "Come, all of you. It's time to sleep. You must be very tired now." "No, Mama, we are not tired, and we are not sleepy. We want to play for a few more hours. Please, Mama," said all of them in unison. No, I can't be watching you all the time. I have to attend to so many other tasks. On top of that, I'm also tired and sleepy," said the tigress. Then she led the 3 little cubs into their tiny bedroom and slowly closed the door behind them. The naughty cubs jumped into their beds and crept under the bed sheets for warmth. The tigress came back, peeped through the door, and shut it again without making the slightest noise. The 3 little cubs listened to their mother's retreating footsteps to make sure that she would not hear any sound coming from their bedroom. They waited for another minute and jumped out of their beds. They had no previous plans, so they started running after one another. While running, they made such a commotion in the bedroom that the tigress found it extremely difficult to sleep. The tigress rushed to the bedroom of the cubs and pushed open the door. When she switched on the light, she saw the 3 little cubs fast asleep in their tiny beds. Then she left the room, thinking that she had a bad dream. However, after closing the door, she waited there to make sure that nothing went wrong. After a few minutes, she peeped through the keyhole, only to see that the cubs were fast asleep. The tigress returned to her bedroom and switched off the lights. But she found it difficult to sleep and started twisting her tail. She twitched her ears and yawned. In the meantime, the 3 little cubs made such a din in their tiny bedroom that the tigress jumped up shrieking in anger. However, the cubs did not hear their mother shrieking, as they were running behind one another. Once again, the tigress rushed to the tiny bedroom. Instead of opening the door, she waited there listening to what the cubs were saying and doing. Then she peeped through the keyhole. What a sight! The 3 little cubs were dancing in the room. Her anger began to melt away. After all, they were her lovable cubs. She looked at the trees through the window. Oh, the leaves, too, were dancing in the wind. What a pleasant sight, thought the tigress. Quite relaxed, the tigress opened the door and stepped into the room. The 3 little cubs looked up in surprise. "Don't be afraid of me, my dear cubs. I came to see how you dance," said the tigress, embracing all of them. She sat on the floor and watched the 3 little cubs dance. When they finished their dance after many hours, they saw their mother fast asleep on the ground. Moral: a mother's love is endless, even when her children misbehave. She forgives, understands, and always puts their happiness before her own. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.